Hey YouTube, it's Nick Logan Machine. Actually getting ready to fix a little problem I've got here. The head rotation bolt is kind of busted on my machine when I got it. So I'm going to take a die grinder and attempt to grind this worm screw away. And hopefully what we can do is we can get it out of there. Got safety. And that noise in the background is my kids inside playing. My shop's right next to my house. So you might hear some screaming and carrying on like kids do. I gotta find something to keep this worm gear from spinning. I think I'll try a flathead screwdriver, maybe jam in there or something somewhere. See what happens. So, because I don't want to waste too much video, I'm going to bring you back when I've got this out. Hey, Logan Machine here, just plugging away at this, at what's left of this gear. I don't have a cutoff disc, and I don't have any money for one, so, you know, poor people poor people have poor ways. So just kind of going in here, I'll show you what I'm doing, and I'm going to cut the brake again and try to get this about finished, and I'll bring it back. You can kind of get the idea what I'm doing in there. I'm trying to get it so where I could split it. See, I got it like that. Now I can come in at it. Hopefully. We'll see, see, it wants to spin on me, so I gotta block it again. My flathead screwdriver is not working anymore, so I got to try to jam something else in there and hope it works. You need like 5 hands to do this. Seems like hold a screwdriver and manipulate your dial. Anyways, you get the idea. I'll bring you back closer to the end. Okay, YouTube, we're almost there. After 2.5 hours grinding and using a drill. air compressor needs to come back on. Be right back. Okay, YouTube. Gonna need the coup de grace for this bad boy. Make sure I'm still in film and view here. Sorry about my arm. My only camera I've got. Got 145 pounds of air. I know. I'm saying that wrong. Sorry, I'm really hot. This has been taking forever. Like I said, 2.5 hours. And if I'd only had the money to buy a Dremel, I'd probably been done less time. But such is life. And I'm not one to know when to fold them. Okay, here we go. Close we are. If I can get close enough, I can use the chisel and just smack that sucker out of there. Whew, still got a ways to go there, it looks like. I'm going to try to use the chisel for a second. See if it's got less meat on it than it needs to. Let's see. Get in there. There she is. Pretty hot. Ow. It is pretty hot. Let me set my tools down here. There's part of it. I'll get the other half out if I can. Hopefully. Might have to use a little bit of love. That's out. Now I'll take this old one out, and I'm going to back the camera out for you guys. Here, I'll let you look in there first. Okay, now back the camera out, and we'll take the old one out, the old junk plug. I might save that for something. I always like to try to do that. Oh, then we got the set screw here, because it's still in place with the set screw. So, let's see here. I think I got what I need. Yeah, right there. Back that set screw out. Luckily, I get, it's, if I get in trouble here, it's, let's see if I can use this, kind of push. If I get in trouble there, I can just push it back down in the hole, so no big deal for that. I'm just trying to find something. One of those deals. Wonder if I can just push it out this way. Nope. She didn't want to come out that way. Okay, I almost wonder if I could be kind of dangerous, but I wonder if I could blow some air up in there and shoot it out. I'm gonna try it because my air compressor's a beast. So let's try it. Why not? Make good television. Okay, so let's make sure you can see that if it comes out. And of course, I've got the wrong nozzle on this air hose. Shit. Okay, well, such is life. So I got to get this out still. I'm gonna fiddle fuck around with it until I get it out. I can almost get my finger to get it out. Come on. I almost got it, guys. Just gotta be able to, you know, just need another inch or two. Yeah, that's what she said, right? So, let me think here for a second. What can I use? Broken tap handle, maybe? Nope. See, my picks are in the house, and I don't really feel like going to get them. So, tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn the camera off so I have. So unfortunately, my video card was full, and I didn't know it. So I'm gonna have to just tell you what happened. Nothing else really happened. I got the little bolt out and with a piece of wire, and then I got to put the head back on in part 2 after excuse me, I got to put the new assembly back in with the worm gear, and then what I'll do is I'll put the head back on, get it all torqued up properly, and then I'm going to work on the wires, and then in the future I have a one-shot lube system that I have to work on because I don't think it's working properly. So other than that, I'll get back to you in part 2. Thanks, guys.